If your mattress also feel like you have fought a battle by the morning, trust me, it's done, because I am personally done with this old, annoying and uncomfortable mattress. Every night it's the same story, tossing, turning, waking up more tired than before, and don't even get me started on these dents like it's sleeping in a pothole. Okay, that's enough. I think it's time for a new mattress. Guys, it's finally here, my long awaited upgrade for proper peaceful sleep. The sleep company Lux Pro mattress. I can't wait to see if it really lives up to my expectation. The way it is packed is just perfect kind of sleek, and I can't wait to check it out. I'll be very honest with you guys, the fabric feels nice, soft and premium. I can literally feel that my sleep is getting an upgrade. So here is what makes this mattress stand out. It is India's first and only smart grid technology. It is built to give that perfect balance, soft comfort and firm support for your back. Sounds like a smart way to keep your spine happy. Okay, just look at the cover. The cover is soft touch cotton, viscose, luxurious, soft and breathable, eco-friendly too, which is a nice bonus. Also, this is hypoallergenic, keeping dust, mites and allergies away. So every night feels fresh and comfortable, makes my old mattress feels like an ancient now. And the best part that I love about this company, if you're still skeptical, they have got 100 nights trial and warranty. So just in case you're not sure about it, you can just use it stress-free. Literally no pressure, just the kind that is relieving from your body because of this mattress. Alright, time for the new real deal. Let's see if the mattress survives my 3-week test. Wow, it's like 3 weeks flew by in no time, and I can already feel the difference. I'm sleeping cooler, deeper, peacefully and waking up genuinely refreshed. No stiffness, no crankiness, just me ready to actually take on the day. Honestly, it's like sleeping on a cloud. The most interesting part, the sleep company has combined smart grid with 100% natural latex, which they call Pro Blend technology. The idea is simple. You get the soft plush comfort of latex paired with adaptive support of smart grid. It is designed to respond to your body's shape almost like it knows exactly where support is needed. And this latex is not just any other latex. This is GOLS certified 100% natural. That means it's pure, breathable and perfectly contours to your body for that natural support. Literally your every body movement is supported, unlike those regular foam mattresses. And the best part, this material never traps heat, so it keeps your body cool, comfy and totally stress-free. Beds are usually too firm or too soft, but this one strikes the perfect balance, medium, soft and plush. It hugs you just right while keeping your body fully supported. Plus the 2500 plus air channels in the smart grid makes airflow effortless, keeping sleep cool and comfortable all night long. Finally gone from restless nights and back pain to finally getting a good support and a good night's sleep. So if you're also struggling with sleep, I think it's time to change your mattress. A good night's sleep is not a luxury. It literally transforms your entire day. For me, this mattress has been a complete game changer. So you also visit the nearest sleep company store and experience the comfort of peaceful sleep night after night.